So one thing I was getting fed up with was the battery keep going flat when the car was left for long periods of time, i.e. through the winter, or because I do shift work. You know, you come back and want to go out in the car and the battery's flat and it won't start. So I decided to add just a simple battery isolator switch. That's actually off at the moment, so the key comes out. And then you just pop it in and turn it on. It can't get knocked by anything. It's clear of all the moving parts. Like wishbones, steering rack, suspension, none of that will hit it. And I've just connected it, the two cables, two negative cables, one to the negative terminal of the battery and the other one just to where it's earthed on the chassis. I've got it on the steering rack, just see it down there. And then I just made up a little aluminium bracket, don't know how well you can see that, and then rib nutted it to the chassis. So I've been out for a run today, all works a treat, and hopefully next time I go out in the car, the battery won't be flat. Nice, cheap, simple fix.